Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how I encapsulate this lace. It's going to be a very short video because I'm going to only be using this one finger from Red Iguana. Here I'm just sizing up the lace and just checking to see where I want it to be placed. Alright, so now that I have an idea of where I want my lace to be placed, I'm going to go ahead and apply my base color. And the one that I'm going to be using today is the Cover Rose from Mia's Secret. And you are going to notice that my beads are drying fairly quickly, and that's because it's like 200 degrees in San Diego today, so it's pretty hot. Well, at least that's what it feels like to me. So yeah, I wasn't able to smooth it down the whole nail today, but once again, I made it work. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And just in case anyone is interested, I am using the Mia's Secret monomer as well. It's the one that I always use, and I'm using my last drops. Actually, I'm running out of monomer, but I did place an order. It's supposed to get here tomorrow, so fingers crossed that I get it tomorrow because I need to practice and I need some monomer. That's one of the reasons you guys been seeing me do all these press-on nails, because I'm not trying to use up the last bit of monomer that I have. Alright, so now that I'm done applying my base color, we're going to move on to applying the lace. And here I already cut up the piece that I'm going to be using, as you can see. And so what I'm going to do is apply this glue gel on the nail with this brush that I just showed you. And I'm going to apply a very thin layer. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to place the lace down. And this is just so it won't move around the nail while I'm trying to encapsulate it. Alright, so now I'm just going to take that piece of lace that I cut up and place it on the nail. Once I have the lace where I want it to go, I'm just going to firmly press it down into the glue just to make sure that it doesn't move and that it stays flat. Once I do that, I am going to pop it in the lamp to cure the gel. Okay, so now that the gel is all cured and the lace is in place, I'm just going to cut off the extra that's hanging off the nail, and I'm going to cut it as close to the nail as possible. So now that I'm done cutting off the extra, now it's time to encapsulate it. So I am going to work with very wet beads, and then when I place my beads, I'm going to also press down into the lace just to make sure that it stays flat while I'm encapsulating it. And while I'm encapsulating it, I am going to make sure that I cover every bit of lace that is on the nail. If for some reason there is some extra still hanging out of the nail, you can always just follow that off. And please just keep in mind that, again, I am not a professional. This is just what works for me. This is how I do it. This is how I learned to do it. So if this is the right or wrong way, I don't know. But again, this is what works for me. Okay, so here I am done encapsulating the nails. I already filed and shaped off camera. So now I go in with my matte top coat. I wanted to see what it looked like matte, but once I'm applying the matte, I see how it looks shiny. So I already know that I'm not gonna like it matte, but I thought I'd still let you guys see what it looks like matte. So this is what it looks like matte, and I don't like it. I actually liked it shiny. So I grabbed my gel top coat as you can see, and I apply it to look shiny, and I think it looks a lot better. You can see more of the detail of the lace. So yeah, this was my favorite. So let me know if you guys prefer the matte or glossy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I may have to do a full set of this on myself. Catch you guys on the next video. Bye.